Hello students, today we will learn some special types of integral. First of all, you see these three types of integral where all three are almost same, only differ by sign. So let us prove one by one. First one is 1 by a square plus x square dx. You take a 1 by a square common, or from denominator you take a square common, then 1 plus x by a whole square dx. So this is equal to 1 by a square and 1 by 1 plus x by a whole square. So this is nothing but 1 by 1 plus x square 4. So integral of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. So 1 by a square into tan inverse x. So x is here x by a, and dividing by coefficient of x. So coefficient of x is 1 by a, dividing by 1 by a or multiplying by a plus c. So this will become, finally this will cancel 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Now second one, 1 by a square minus x square dx. Factorize denominator, 1 by a minus x and a plus x. Again we have to reduce it into standard form. For that we will apply this method, a plus x plus a minus x. Divided by a minus x and a plus x dx. In numerator what has changed? This x will cancel, a plus a 2a. So 1 has been multiplied by 2a, so to balance it you divide by 2a. 1 by 2a and divide it separately, you will get 1 by a plus x. A plus x will cancel, then a minus x. A minus x, then plus sign, a minus x cancel, then 1 by a plus x dx. 1 by 2a, integral of 1 by x form. So integral of 1 by a minus x is log of a minus x and divided by coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is here minus 1, so minus 1, and plus log of a plus x plus c. So finally it will be log of a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. And third one is also very similar to second. So let us prove third. Third when you factorize x plus a and x minus a. So x plus a minus x minus a, x plus a and x minus a. Again, if you observe its numerator 2a, numerator has multiplied by 2a, so to balance it you divide by 2a. Here x will again cancel. Now divide it separately. 1 by 2a and 1 by x minus a minus 1 by x plus a. So 1 by 2a, integral of this x minus a and minus sign log of x plus a modulus by using log formula. This will become log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. So these three are almost similar. You have to learn and directly you can apply the formula to solve the questions. Now next three formula. Fourth one is 1 by x square plus a square root over dx. Fifth is 1 by x square minus a square root over dx. And sixth one is 1 by a square minus x square root over dx. We are going to prove one by one. So fourth one is 1 by x square plus a square under root dx. Here we will substitute so that a square root will remove and we can get its integral. So if you substitute x equals to a tan theta, then a square tan square theta a plus a square will cancel, then 1 plus tan square theta sec square theta, and square root of sec square theta is sec theta. After that the question will be very simple. So here substitute, put x equals to a tan theta. Now dx will be a sec square theta d theta. So this will become dx equals to a sec square theta d theta by a square tan square theta plus a square under root. Now a sec square theta d theta by a square common, then a square 1 plus tan square theta under root. A will cancel, then sec square theta d theta by 1 plus tan square theta sec square theta, square root of sec square theta sec theta. So 1 sec theta will cancel, then sec theta plus integral of sec theta. Now integral of sec theta is equal to log of sec theta plus tan theta. Log of sec theta we have to find. Tan theta is given x by a. So x by a tan theta, and sec theta we have to find here. So tan theta is equal to x by a. Sec theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta under root. So 1 plus x square by a square root over. So it will be a square plus x square root under by a. Here we put the value a square plus x square root over by a whole modulus plus c. If you simplify further, log of x plus x square plus a square, this whole divided by a plus c. Now log m by n equal to log n minus log n. So this will become x plus x square plus a square root over and minus log a plus c. This will give you another constant. So your formula will become log of x plus x square plus a square root under plus c. Second one, fifth one number 1 by x square minus a square under root dx. Here also we have to think over how we will substitute. So if you put x equals to a sec theta, then a square sec square theta, a square will cancel, then sec square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta, and after getting a square root it will become tan theta. So put here x equals to a sec theta, then dx equal to a, and derivative of sec theta is sec theta into tan theta d theta. So this will become a sec theta tan theta d theta by a sec square theta, a square will common, then sec square theta minus 1 under root. So a will cancel, then sec theta tan theta d theta by sec square theta minus 1 tan square theta. So it will be tan theta, and this will cancel sec theta d theta. Again integral of sec theta is log of sec theta plus tan theta, sec theta plus tan theta sec theta is given x by a. So log of x by a and plus tan theta we have to find. Tan theta equal to sec square theta minus 1 under root. So tan theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1 root under. So sec square theta is x square by a square minus 1 under root is equal to x square minus a square by a this. So you put the value of tan theta x square minus a square root over by a. plus c. If you simplify further in the similar way what I have done in earlier formula, you will get this result: x plus x square minus a square root under plus c. Sixth one, sixth is 1 by a square minus x square. So here you take common a square. So a square, that means a will be common, then 1 minus x by a whole square under root dx. So it is nothing but root over 1 minus x square. You know the formula, root over 1 minus x square sine inverse x. So 1 by a and sine inverse x. X is here, x by a. So x by a and divided by coefficient of x, that is 1 by a, or multiplied by a. So this will cancel. So sine inverse x by a plus c. So here we have derived 6 new formula which are different. You have to learn this formula and apply directly on the question. Let us see some question based on this formula. Evaluate first question is 1 by 4 plus 9x square, 1 by 4 plus 9x square dx. This question is based on 1 by a square plus x square dx. What is the formula for this? 1 by a tan inverse x by k. So we can change this in this form. So 1 by 2a square plus 3x whole square dx. A square plus x square. X is here 3x. So tan inverse 1 by a, 1 by 2, tan inverse x by a. X is here 3x by 2 and x is here 3x. So we had to divide this by coefficient of x, that is by 3 plus c. So you will get 1 by 6 tan inverse 3x by 2 plus c. Now second question of this type is 16 minus 9x square. 16 minus 9x square. So this is based on which formula? A square 1 by a square minus x square dx. Formula for this is 1 by 2a log of a plus x and a minus x. Log of a plus x and a minus x plus c. So this formula we will apply here. So 1 by, first of all you change this into standard form, 4 square minus 3x whole square dx. So a square minus x square, 1 by 2a, 1 by 2 into 4, 1 by 2a, log of a plus x, 4 plus 3x and 4 minus 3x. Here x is 3x, so we have to divide by coefficient of x, that is 3. So 24, 1 by 24 log of 4 plus 3x by 4 minus 3x plus c. Some more question of this type. Third one is 1 by root over 16x square plus 25. This is nothing but a root over a square plus x square. So 1 by a square plus x square root under dx is log of x plus a square plus x square root under plus c. So here we apply this formula. Just you have to change it into in this form. So 1 by 4x whole square plus 5 square dx. Now a square plus x square form, so directly we apply here formula log of x. X is 4x and plus root over a square plus x square. A square, that means 5 square plus 4x whole square under root and divided by coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is here 4. So whole will divided by 4 plus c. After that you can simplify this final result. 1 by 4 log of 4x plus 25, that is 16x square plus 25, that is original function, this one, plus c. Okay, some more types of question we will solve in the another next class. Thank you.